Sometimes you have to live your life with negative people or people you don't like, and neither do they like you. How do you live with such relationships and manage them?
So you don't like somebody, they don't like you. Now there is a strong raga and so strong dvesha which has got created. That will trouble. If I am able to invoke empathy and forgiveness and let go of a grudge or a dvesha, that is the first thing to be done. Don't make an ego. I will let go only if that person lets go. That will create more friction. If I am able to understand why this person is behaving like this, that is empathy. Many times we don't see it from their standpoint. Then dvesha builds. You know, one of the things that I read somewhere was anger. So somebody, when the person is in anger, that person actually is saying that I need help. Anger is a cry for help. Why? Because I am not able to handle what is coming to me and I am reacting. So if I take it personally, then I will feel offended. But if I understand, actually this person is suffering, then I will not take it personally. I will be able to move my attention to the cause of that person suffering and empathize. Dvesha, when I face somebody who has dvesha for me, if I retaliate with dvesha, then there will be more dvesha. That's why Buddha said, the only solution for hatred is love. An eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. Dvesha cannot be countered with dvesha. This is a spiritual principle. That's why in the Gita, the first quality of a devotee whom the Lord loves is Adveshta Sarvabhutana. One who has no dvesh for any being, that person is called a devotee of the Lord. That may be difficult to reach sometimes. We may feel not so much strong from within to be able to put aside. Then what do I have to do? At least I should not strengthen that dvesha. Understand that some karma is getting exhausted. Let me not add further to it. How not to add further to it? Withdraw from active participation. Stick to only what is the duty. And do it because it has to be done without anything extra. No personal comments. No personal attacks. Just do the duty. No, but if they attack, what should I do? Let go. Don't take it personally, let go. Why should I let go? Because I don't want to incur negative karma by myself. Because if I don't let go, I am incurring negative karma for no reason. Typically it happens, Indian cricket team, when they play in India, they are unbeatable. But they go to Australia or they go to South Africa and the pitches are bouncy pitches. And one of the main causes for the whole collapse of Indian team will be the ball which is an outswinger or outside the off stump which is going, they'll go and poke the bat. If you let that ball go, nothing will happen. It will pitch, it will go like that, wicketkeeper will catch it. But what will that person do? Put the bat. So the ability to let go is very important. To leave something. Not to go inside the mind and brood over it. Dvesha will increase by brooding over it. Why did this person say this to me? I don't like this person. Why this person said all this to me? Now I'm going to give it back to that person. It goes on increasing. So if I cannot stop that person, at least I can stop myself. Why brood? Now how will I stop myself? If I have an inspiring purpose in life, if I genuinely want to absorb my mind in doing something constructive, then I don't have time for all this. I just let it go. Okay, fine, just leave it. You focus on the work that you have. So if I am a sadhak, my goal is self-realization, my mind will go to Bhagwan again and again. If I have another goal in my life, my mind will start focusing on that goal. Why spend time in unnecessarily brooding over why this person said this, why this person did this, I don't like this, and I'm going to give it back? Not required. So stick to the duties, ignore personal attacks, turn the mind to something higher, and first thing we spoke is invoke empathy, compassion, and forgiveness. In spite of all this, if you think that continuous attacks are happening, if you have to protect yourself, protect. If you have to distance and go away, do that. Nothing else, what else can be done there?